We'll guide you through how to change the size of text in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To resize text in Figma, begin by double-clicking on the colorful Figma desktop application icon to launch the software on your device. Once the application opens, open up the specific project file you want to edit directly from your dashboard. After your design loads in, locate the text layer on your canvas that you want to resize and click on it once to select it properly. If you only want to adjust the size of a single word or a specific phrase instead of the entire text layer, double-click inside the text box and drag your mouse across just the words you want to highlight. Next, move over to the right-hand side of your screen where the Properties panel is located. Scroll down through the available options until you locate the section clearly labeled Typography. Inside that section, look for the number box position right beside the Font Style drop-down menu. Click directly inside that number box to reveal a drop-down list of standard font sizes ranging from very small to extremely large. Scroll through the list and choose one of the preset sizes to instantly watch your text resized directly on the canvas. If you want a more precise custom size that is not included in the drop-down list, click inside the number box again, type in your exact number, and press Enter on your keyboard to apply it. If you want to manually scale the visual size of the text more freely, check the nearby line spacing and text frame box controls to make sure your layout boundaries still look clean and balanced. Another useful method for scaling your text together with its bounding box is to press the K key on your keyboard to activate the scale tool. Once the tool is active, click and drag any of the corner handles on the selected text box to smoothly enlarge or shrink the text without warping its proportions. When you are satisfied with the new size, press the V key to switch back to the normal selection tool. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your design canvas to deselect the layer and review your updated layout proportions before pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to safely save your sync project.